One of the greatest sunnahs of the Prophet ﷺ was to spend time in nature. And none of us can do that anymore, because the moment we step outside, we have to look at our phones. When was the last time you looked at the sky? When was the last time you looked at a fly, a bee, a snowflake, a flower petal as it opened? When was the last time you stood and you stared at the beauty of a baby as it exited its mother's wombs, at the innocence in its eyes, at the tear that escapes its lips, at the beauty of the baby as it suckles its mother and it naturally finds milk somehow, somewhere? When was the last time we looked at ourselves in the mirrors, blinking, breathing, heart beating, oxygen flowing in our blood, and we thought to ourselves, what has Allah created? When was the last time Allah put food on your table and you tasted the spices, the smells, the textures, and you said how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has produced this? When was the last time you stood in front of a snake, a leopard, a tiger, an animal, a human being, a creation from the creations of Allah, and your jaw dropped? When was the last time you appreciated the water in your cup? When was the last time you appreciated every time your heart beat? When was the last time that we appreciated the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We are distracted. We don't care anymore. We are too busy staring at the next notification, and that is why we have become blind.